Yes, my dear loving students, today I want to discuss problem number 7 of this study material and problem number of 16 of NCERT. What is given in this problem? In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Here, ABC is an equilateral triangle and AD is altitude. You know from class 9 that when a perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side of a triangle in an equilateral triangle, it divides the opposite side in two equal parts. So my dear student, it can be shown by two ways. By proving ADB and ADC congruent triangle or by these properties. So now we prove this by the property. So BD is equal to A by 2. In the right angle triangle ADB, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB is equal to A square is equal to AD square plus A by 2 whole square. So this will be A square minus A square by 4 is equal to AD square. And this will be AD square is equal to 3 times A square by 4. Therefore 4 times the square of 1 of altitude is equal to 3 times the square of side. So in this way you can solve this problem. This problem is important for the question having 2 marks. So you must remember the answer also. In an equilateral triangle, 3 times the square of sides is equal to 4 times square of its altitude. Now, this is a problem, multiple type of questions. So, as you know, in this coming examination, multiple type of question will be asked. So, you must keep in your mind the solution of this problem, how will you solve. Take the correct answer and justify. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. The angle B is, there are 4 options, 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. My dear students, here the dimension of the sides are given. AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter. So AB square is equal to 6 into root 3 whole square. That is 36 into 3. That is 108. AC square is equal to 12 square and it will be 144. BC square is equal to 36. Now AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This proves that ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B, because the side opposite to the vertex B is the longest side centimeter, and it with the square of 12 centimeter is equal to the 6 square and 6 into root 3 centimeter square. So in this way option C is correct. So in this way you can solve this problem. Now I want to solve some another problem in which the application of Pythagoras theorem will be done, and it is a word problem. Now a give wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should this stake be driven so that wire will be taut? My dear students, here OB is pole having height 28 meter and AB is a wire. AB is a wire and it is tightly here attached with this point A, and this is a stake. The length of AB is 24 meter, sorry. So find the OA, distance of stake from the foot of the pole. Let OB be the pole and AB be the wire. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square. That is 24 square is equal to 18 square plus OA square. That is OA square is equal to 576 minus 324. That is 252. So OA is equal to 6 root 7 meter. So therefore the distance from the base of the stake is equal to 6 into root 7 meter. My dear student, I want to solve problem number 11 of NCERT and problem number 10 of this study material. Here it is given an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, other aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two places after one by 2 hours? My dear student, it is a very interesting problem. This problem is on the formula distance, speed and time. So speed is how much? 100 km per hour. Time is 1.5 hours. So we first will find the distance traveled by the aeroplane in north direction and in west direction. And then we'll find after 1.5 hours the distance between these two aeroplanes. So first we find OA is equal to how much? Distance traveled by the plane flying towards north in 1.5 hours is equal to, this is speed and this is time. It will give you distance covered by the train in 1.5 hours, by the aeroplane in 1.5 hours is equal to 1500 km. Similarly, the distance traveled by the plane flying towards west in 1.5 hours is equal to 1800 km. Let the distance be represented by OA and OB respectively. Applying Pythagoras theorem, distance between these planes after 1.5 hours is AB, that is OA square plus OB square. That is 1500 square plus 1800 square. And it will be 225 into 10,000 plus 324 into 10,000. And it will be 549 into 10,000. And so 9 into 61,000. So now, after simplification, it will be 300 into root 61 kilometer. Therefore, the distance between these planes will be 300 root 61 kilometer after 1.5 hours. My dear student, I want to solve next problem. This is problem number 12 of NCERT and problem number 11 of study material. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Now see the figure. My dear student, here AB and CD are two poles and the distance of the pole is, height of the pole is 6 meter and 11 meter. 6 meter and 11 meter. So CP is equal to CD minus PD. PD is equal to 6. So CP is equal to 5 meter. This is 5 meter. And this BD is equal to AP. So this is, you have to find this AP. Now, AP is equal to how much meter? 12 meter. It is given. From the figure, it can be observed that AP is equal to, this AP is equal to 12 meter. Applying Pythagoras theorem, for triangle APC, AP square plus PC square is equal to AC square. 12 square plus 5 square is equal to AC square. AC square is equal to 169. And AC is equal to 13 meter. Therefore, the distance their tops is 13 meter. AC is equal to 13 meter. In this way, we can solve the problems of NCERT. I hope you have understood me. Thank you. Thank you very much.